this is part 2. I got a drip line set up, and we'll show you that here. It enters right here. There's the hose. We've got our line set up here, and over there I've got 3 that come off this. One up there to spray water across the leaves there. And we've got the mister at the top there. Now it doesn't take a lot of power to fill these lines with water. So eventually, using the 3D printer, which I wanted to mention, which is really helpful, you can make fittings and then coat them in Krazy glue to make them watertight. The Krazy glue will seal the 3D printer edges if there's any air gaps, and then you can run many lines off of one, or you can build mounts to mount your fans or create a cooling box or something like that. I've been thinking of using a Peltier ceramic heat exchanger. You can get them on Amazon and stuff, and what they do is they'll take power. I'm not sure the wattage, that's what I'm sort of looking at now, but they'll take the power and they'll turn it into heat, and the opposite side of the ceramic plate will turn cold. So you put a heat sink on the other side of the plate, aluminum, and that cold being conducted from the powered side of the hot ceramic will create a cold box which you could attach a fan to. Now, a lot of talk for cooling down here because the summer is on its way and it's going to get extremely hot, so we may have to put an exhaust fan at the top as well and just go at a total loss of heat. I'm trying to keep the heat within the greenhouse, but eventually it's just going to build up, even with the air circulation and the water, I think, and we don't want that to happen. So basically I will get an exhaust fan. We have this back wall which is south facing, and this is quite cool air from the lower area down there. It's about 8 feet down, so I might run a hose for cool air down the back, but it'll mean cutting a hole through the side of the greenhouse here. So we'll get you an update this week. Let's check this leaf yellowing theory and see if these recover now that they're outside in the moisture environment. Still not that humid in here, so I'm pretty sure that we're not at that point in the summer where the soil will start vaping off moisture, as well as that huge bucket back there. Anyways, you have a good day, guys, and thanks for all the watches and all of that. Have a good one.